Hey, if you want to take the series of the photos on the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G, all you have to do is just to swipe down this shutter button. So take a look. Swipe and hold. And now we are actually taking the 30 photos. One more time. Swipe down and keep holding with your finger. Now when you open your gallery, you can actually find this icon in the left bottom corner of each series of the photos, and when you click on it you can actually find all of these photos that you actually take in this series. And if you want to save any of these photos, like for example this one and this one, you have to select them and then click on this icon. Now you can save them, but also you can click here and delete all the unselected pictures, and you will get only these two that you actually pick. They will appear right here. And that's all for this video. Right now please subscribe.